10th class real numbers part 2. 10th class real numbers part 2. First, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. Okay, first question, 12, 15 and 21. 12 factors, 2 6 are 12, 6 fact 2 3 are 6, then 2 square into 3. Next 15, 3 5s are 15 and 21. 21 is equal to 3 7s are 21. First of all, you write LCM, least common factor. Least common factor. Okay, 2 square, 5, 7 are the least common factors. Then multiplication 420. Okay, 2 square 4, 3 into 5 into 7. That is equal to 420. Next, HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? 3. This is the highest common factor. 3. Next question. 17, 23 and 29. Okay. The given numbers 17, 23 and 29 are all prime numbers. These are the prime numbers. Okay. Then LCM, product. Their product. 17 into 23 into 29. That is equal to 1130, 339. This is the LCM. Next, HCF. Then these are the prime numbers are 117 are 17, 123 are 23, 129 is 29. Then 1 is the HCF. Then 1 is the HCF. Next question, 72 and 108. First, you write prime factorization. Then 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3. 2 power 3. How many 3s? 3 square. Then 72 is equal to 2 power 3 and 3 square. Okay. Next, 108. Prime factorization. 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Then 108 is equal to how many 2s? 2 square. How many 3s? 3 cubes. Okay. Then LCM, least common multiples. Least common multiples. Then 2 power 3 and 3 power 3. Okay. 2 power 3, 3 power 3. Then you multiply 8. 2 power 3 means 8. Then 3 power 3 means 27. 8 27s are 216. Okay. Next, HCF, 2 square and 3 square. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 9s are 36. This is the HCF, 216 LCM. Okay. Next question, 306 and 657. First we write prime factorization. Okay. 2 15s are, 2 3s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 17s are, 71s are. Okay. Then you write 306 is equal to 2 into 3 square into 17. Okay. Next, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, minus 2, 227, 3 9s are 27. Next, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 73s are 1s are 73. Okay, first you write 657 is equal to 3 square into 73. 3 square into 73. Then you write LCM is equal to 2 into 3 square into 17 into 73. Then 3 square common. Then the HCF is equal to 3 square. Okay. Then you multiply, that is equal to answer is equal to 22,338 is the LCM. Okay. 3 square is equal to 9. 9 is the HCF. Okay. Next question. Next, explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Okay. What are the composite numbers? Two or more factors are composite numbers. First you write given numbers. Okay, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 5. Okay, in common number 13 is the common. Okay, 7 into 11 plus 1 and 5 is the common. Okay, 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 1. Okay, next plus 1. Okay, then you first 7 into 11 into plus 1 multiply 7 11s are 77 plus 1 78. You say first k, you say 78 is equal to k. Next 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 1, first you multiplication 1008 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1009. Then you say 1009 is equal to L. Okay, first then what is the k? 78. What is the L? 1009. You write in this 13 into k and 5 into L. Okay, where k is equal to 78 and L is equal to 1009. As the given numbers can be written as product of two numbers, they are composite. They are composite. Okay, understand? Next, which is the digit would occupy the units place of 6 to the power of 100? What you would find? Only units place. Okay, units place. 6 power 1 means 6. We know that 6 power 1 is equal to 6. 6 square, that is equal to 36. 6 cube is equal to 216. Okay, 6 power 4 is equal to 1296. 6 power 5 is equal to 7776. Then you find ones place 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and also 6 power 1000. 6 power 1000, 6 power 10,000, 6 power 1 lakh, any. We see that 6 power n for any positive integer n ends is 6. Okay, then unit digit is always 6. Unit digit is always 6. Then unit digit of 6 power 100 is 6. Okay, next question. Write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. First problem 3 by 8. 8 divides 3. 8. 0. Point. Then 0. 8 3 are 24. 8 3 are 24. Then 13 minus 24, 6. Then point 0. Then 8 7 are 56. Then 60 minus 56, 4. Then point 0. Then 8 5 are 40. Then this is the terminating decimal. 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375 is the terminating decimal. This is the non-terminating. This is the only terminating decimal. Next question. 4 1 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. 4 1 by 4. That is equal to 4 plus 1 by 5. 5 with divide 1. 5 with divide 1. Then 5 0. Then point 0. 5 2s are 10. Then 4 1 by 5, that means 0.2. Okay, 4 plus 0.2. 4 plus 0.2. That is equal to 4.2. Is a terminating decimal. Is a 2 by 11. 11 with divide 2. Okay, point 0. 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11, 9. Point 0. 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88, 2. Point 0 with 0. 11 ones are 11. 90. And 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88, 2. Then what is the answer? 0.1818. And also you repeating. Okay, you repeating. Then 2 by 11 is equal to 0.181818 and also. Okay, then 0.18 bar. 0.118 bar is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay, Next question. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. Okay, then note, we check whether the denominator is of the form of 2 power n into 5 power m or not. If yes, the rational number can be expressed as a terminating decimal. This is the denominator is the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Limit. Okay. 3125. 3125. Then first you write prime factorization. Okay. Then only 5 times once units place is in 5, we will divide 5. 5 6 are, 5 2 are, 5 5 are. Then 5 table. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are, 5 5 are. Then 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5. How many 5s? 5 power 5. Then 2 power 0. You write to 2 power 0 in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay, in the form of 2 power n. 2 power 0, that means 1, you say 2 power 0 into 5 power 5. Then 13 by 5 power 5. This is the denominator is a form of 2 power n into 5 power m. Hence 13 by 3125 is a terminating decimal. Is a terminating decimal. Next question. 11 by 22. 11 by 22. The denominator 12 is not a factor of 11. Okay. Moreover, 12 factors. 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. Then 11 by 12 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. This is not a form of 2 power m into 5 power m. Okay. Next question. 15 by 600. This is the prime factorization method. Okay. First you write prime factorization method. Okay. 1600 is equal to how many 2? 2's 2 power 6. 6 2's. Next into 5 square. The denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay. Hence 15 by 1600 is a terminating decimal. Okay. Next 23 by 2 power cube into 5 square. This is the terminating decimal. The denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Next this one. Next one. 129 by 2 square into 5 power n into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Next one. 9 by 15. 15 means 9 means 3 table, 3 3s are, 3 5s are. Okay. 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. The denominator is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Okay. Only 5. Only 5. That means 2 power 0. That means 1 into 5. 3 by 1 into 5. Okay. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a, what is the terminating decimal? Is a terminating decimal. Okay.